Hi guys, welcome to my video guys. Kain po tayo guys. Aking ulam sinigang na baboy na may malunggay leaves guys. Ang sarap nito guys. Niya dragon fruit at saka pipino. First bite para sa inyo. Kain nito guys. Sarap nito guys. Wow. Perfect. Panalo to. Malaking hiwa guys. Sarap nito guys. Malunggay oh. Sarap. Wow. Sabi. Malambot. Ibang version lang aking sinigang guys na may malunggay. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.